For the atom worksheet, I thought it would be helpful if I went through one example of each of the problems, starting with the bottom of the first page. For the nitrogen 15 example, nitrogen has this symbol that's given, and the 7 down here, this is called the Z number, or the atomic number. That's the number of protons. And if I subtract the A number, the atomic mass, which is 15, minus 7, that'll give me the number of neutrons. And because there's no charge shown here, it's going to have the same number of electrons, the negatively charged particles, as the protons. As we scroll down to a bigger particle, radon, it's helpful to have your periodic table nearby, so you can click on webelements.com. Super helpful interactive periodic table. And sometimes enough information will be given in the problem, but at other times you're going to have to look up on the periodic table to see the atomic number, for instance. Radon has 86 as its atomic number, so I can go ahead and just move that right here. The atomic mass is going to be the bigger number, so in this case the isotope of radon is 222. Number of protons is always the same as the atomic number, so that's 86. If I subtract those two, 222 minus 86, I'm doing my mental math here, that looks like 136 neutrons. I could be wrong. And again, this is not a charged particle, so there's no charge written up here. So that means the number of electrons is going to be the same as the number of protons, 86. To name this, we're just going to say the name of the element, which is radon. That's written on the periodic table. And then the mass of it, which is 222. Written a little bit small there. If I'm looking at any of these, so these are neutral atoms. So if I look down below, if something has 19 electrons, we're going to assume that it has 19 protons. And that will help us tell what element it is. As we scroll down to this section, it looks like we're going to have some ions, so a different number of protons and electrons. If I have 33 protons and I look at the periodic table, I believe that is arsenic. So arsenic has the symbol As. And if I have 3 electrons more than the 33 protons, that means I'm going to have a 3 minus charge. It doesn't matter if you put the negative before or after, but most chemists write it 3 negative instead of minus 3. And this is called an anion, which is a negative ion. For average atomic mass, take a look at the next video.